Good morning, student. Welcome to the online class. Today, in our lesson 3, Birth of Prophet Muhammad and Rise of Islam. Today, we are going to study how and what happened in the rise of Islam. Introduction, page number 27. Children, please look in your books. While Europe was under the Dark Age, a new religion was born in Saudi Arabia. Dark Age means, children, when there was no religion of that sort and people were fighting for a successor over their place. This major religion of the world, Islam, was founded by Prophet Muhammad. And when all this was going on, the birth of a person named Prophet Muhammad took place. Let us read about the history of Islam, which greatly influenced India and its people. So children, we are going to study about Islam and who was the creator of Islam. Pre-Islamic times, condition in Arabia. The pre-Islamic Arabia refers to the Arabian Peninsula consisting of Yemen, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, parts of Jordan and Iraq and the United Arab Emirates, countries of the modern era. The area was largely dry and volcanic. So children, this religion flourished near the Arabian Peninsula, and what all these places were known as the Arabian condition in Arabia was during the dark time. Who came? Prophet Muhammad came in Arabia, and the places were Yemen, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Jordan, Iraq and United Arab Emirates. Countries of the modern era, the area was largely dry. This area was dry and volcanic. Life in the deserts was tough and harsh. Children, life in the desert area is very tough and harsh. People lived as nomadic tribe rearing sheep and camel. They also lived in many small towns and cities before Islam became the religion of this region. This whole Arabia was Islamic at that time because they all had taken up the religion which was followed by Prophet Muhammad. Before Islam became the religion of this region, the people practiced a mix of polytheism. Polytheism is worship of many gods. Before Islam could come, they were worshipping other gods and goddesses. People believed that gods and goddesses were protectors of individual tribe. Idols and image worship was common and accepted. There were shrines dedicated to different deities. So children, over here we see that before Islam would have come, they were following different types of gods and goddesses, and they believed God was the power over them. They were ruled by God and goddesses. Prophet Muhammad's early life. Muhammad was a founder of Islam, was born in AD 570. Muhammad was born at 570 in the town of Mecca, Arabia. He was born in Mecca. He was born into a Qurayshi tribe. He was born into a Qurayshi tribe in prominent family of Mecca. Muhammad was orphaned. He had no parents. At a very early age, he lost his parents. At the early age, he was raised by his paternal uncle, Abu Talib. Mecca was a trading center and Muhammad used to travel for trading to Syria with his uncle. Now he was joined in his uncle's business and he was doing trading. He was taking things from Mecca to Syria. It is believed that later he became a merchant himself and gained a reputation for being honest, trustworthy and truthful. He was such a good person, he was very truthful, he was honest and trustworthy. Due to these qualities, he was called an impartial arbitrator. Arbitrator means judge in many disputes. In his travel to various lands, he learned of many religions believe, mainly Christianity and Judaism. He learned Christianity and Judaism. That means he was a learned person. He was impressed by their teaching. He was impressed by the teaching of Christianity and Judaism. As he grew older, he started spending time praying alone for many weeks in a year in a cave named Hira near Mecca. He was a learned person and he knew that while praying he will get wisdom from God, and in a cave he used to go. It was a place called Hira in Mecca and he used to pray there. It is believed that around AD 610, during one of his visits to the cave, angel Gabriel appeared before him and revealed God's divine message. So he had a divine message from God, and the angel had given him a vision. Who was that angel? Angel Gabriel. Muhammad was commanded to proclaim. Proclaim means announce and praise the name of his God, Allah. He called his God Allah. He took his divine learning to the people of Mecca. Muhammad was the one who spread Allah's teaching to his people in Mecca. First, he took the teaching to his people in Mecca. So, children, till here we will finish our first part of the lesson, and I hope you have understood. Let's go through the recap. Prophet Muhammad, birth of Islam, rise of Islam. Who was the founder of Islam? Prophet Muhammad. He was born in AD 570 in Mecca. He was born, and he was orphan at the very early age. So his paternal uncle Abu Talib took him, and he was from a Qurayshi tribe, and his religion was Islam, and he spread his religion in these areas. The condition in Arabia was not good at that time. They were believing in other gods and goddesses until and unless Prophet Muhammad came and spread the teaching of Islam in Arabia, Yemen, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Jordan, Iraq and UAE, United Arab Emirates. So children, we have learned so far. Please go through the video and understand it. Go through the lesson and understand it. I hope you have understood so far. We will see in our next video. Thank you, children.